Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see Lesson 4 Different Occupations. An activity or a task, service, trade, or craft that one does for which one is paid is called occupation. We already know about many occupations such as doctors, nurses, dentists, teachers, principals, bus driver, conductors, pilots, flight attendants, sailors, police officers, firefighters, soldiers, guards, architects, masons, carpenters, electricians, painters, plumbers, reporters, writers, farmers, chefs, bakers, actors, salespersons, cashiers, curators, coaches, and sportspersons. Let us learn about some more workers and the work they do. Different jobs. Health related. Pharmacists check and dispense medicines recommended by doctors. Pharmamedics provide medical emergency care for patients in critical conditions. Education related. Curriculum developers decide appropriate topics to be taught, methods of delivery, and define the time required for each topic. Career counselor help students in choosing their careers. Transport related. Flight engineers monitor all aircraft systems, identify and rectify faults if any. Yardmaster in charge of operations in a railroad yard. Safety related. Lifeguards inform swimmers about dangers and safety policies. Save swimmers from drowning. Administer first aid. Safety engineers work towards preventing accidents in the workplace. Cleanliness related. Helpers, domestic helpers, garbage collectors. Did you know? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started on 2nd October 2014. It is India's largest cleanliness drive. Construction related. Civil engineers design, supervise, and construct roads, buildings, airports, dams, and bridges. Elevator installer install electrical system in elevators. Media related. Journalist research, write, and edit news stories and articles. News anchors read out the news on a television or a radio. Food related. Caterers prepare and serve meals for special occasions such as weddings, anniversaries, and birthday celebrations. Food scientists analyze the nutritional content of food. Entertainment related. Lyricists compose the lyrics of songs. Art directors design sets for films, design visual concepts for the promotion of films. Finance related. Accountants keep financial records of an organization. Bankers advise their clients on how to manage finance. Sports related. Athletic trainers set health and fitness goals of athletes, manage, prevent, and help in the recovery of injured athletes. Zumba trainers conduct dance cum exercise sessions. Marketing, sales, and service related. Market research analysts collect data on competitors and market trends and analyze them. Sales engineers explain and sell complex scientific products and service to customers. Tools of the trade. You must have seen your elders working on their laptops, or someone else at home must have used a pan or a spatula to make a crispy dosa for you. What do you call the things they used? They are all tools of trade. Each job calls for special tools, which are called the tools of the trade. Plans. Dash advise their clients on how to manage finances. Bankers. Dash was started on 2nd October 2014. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Dash research, write and edit news stories and articles. Journalists. Dash prepare and serve meals at weddings. Caterers. Each job requires special tools called the tools of the trade. Did you know? Read the names of these unusual occupations. Bowyer, a bow maker. Chandler, a candle maker or a retail supplier of specific equipment. Drummer, a traveling salesman. Draper, a cloth dealer. Requirements to do a job well. For doing a job well, we need skills for the job, necessary education and training, honesty and integrity, love for the job. It does not matter what the job is. Any job can be done equally well by both boys and girls. For example, both boys and girls can become soldiers, fighter pilots, teachers, doctors, nurses, curators, sailors, and so on. Did you know? Gunjan Saxena is the first woman Indian Air Force officer to fly into the war zone during the 1999 Kargil War. Understood? For this, we finished the reading of the lesson, different occupation. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Okay? Thank you.